What's the meaning of color-coded? Color-coded. Color-coded.
Color-coded. Color-coded. Color-coded refers to a system of using different colors to differentiate between items or information. This method is particularly useful for organizing and categorizing data for quick and easy identification. For example, traffic lights use red, yellow, and green colors to indicate when to stop, slow down, or go, respectively. Similarly, maps use different colors to show different features such as water bodies, highways, and landmarks. Overall, color coding helps to simplify complex information and make it more accessible and understandable for users.